We're glad to see you on our YouTube channel. Here we have a bunch of series of best online earning sources reliable all the time. You can be able to find the best online earning source according to your taste by watching our list. This will surely reduce your efforts of searching for the best place to cache your content. This platform provides you with an amazing collection of digital earning resources. Adorer of wealth and admirer of adventures always look forward to the best collection of easy and reliable online resources. On our YouTube channel, you'll be able to select the best one according to your taste. Here we have a list of that app where you can make money by doing simply small tasks and surveys. You'll be able to earn a suitable amount from these apps, and these will give you an opportunity to earn online. And this way, thousands of people are making suitable amount via this method. I personally know many people who find out the right place for digital earning apps. Now they're earning well. Here, the biggest problem is to find out the best apps which can provide you with an opportunity to earn money. Here we have a list for you to find out the best money-making apps, and this surely reduces your efforts. On number 6, we have PHOPE. This is such an amazing app for earning via the online method. This is totally free for all across the globe. There's no registration fee here. You just required to set your profile on this app. The method of working on this app is that you can sell your pictures and videos here. You're needed to upload your pictures and videos here on your profile. Then brands and people will approach you for buying your pictures and videos for advertisements and promotions purposes. Here you can sell your pictures from $5 to $100 according to the quality of the picture. This is such a legit app that will provide an easy way of earning through digital methods. On number 5, we have Mercari. This is such an amazing app that is totally free for everyone, and there's no fee for registration here. You can be able to sell different products here. You can put pictures of products and add descriptions of them, and people who needed these products will approach your profile. And you can earn profit here by selling things. Mercari will take 10% of your total amount as a commission, but this only applies when you sell or buy something. This is such a legit way of earning. It's also a type of e-trading. This app is serving many people. Most of the products that have been sold here are headphones, speakers, tablets, and clothes. By using better description and communication skills, you can be able to sell your product easily here. On number 4, we have Uber. I bet you must be familiar with this app, and you must listen to the name of this app. On this app, you can provide your services if you own any vehicle. This is an international app, and you can provide the ride to the people of your region here. By providing the riding services to the people, you can be able to earn a suitable amount here. Registration here is totally free, and by connecting with this app, you can be able to make money via this app. On number 3, we have iPoll. This is a legit app where you can make surveys, and in the reward, you can be able to make money in this way. You can be supposed to answer the queries of different people, and by participating in this survey or review on the Apple app, Amazon, and other digital apps. By answering the people, you can be able to get gift cards and rewards through PayPal. This is such a most reviewed app, and many people show positively towards the app. You can be able to set your profile here without any fee of registration. People are making a handsome amount with this app, and I personally know many persons who made a handsome amount here. This digital platform is serving many people throughout the globe with its services. On number 2, we have Fiverr. This is a freelancing app where you can provide your services. This is a totally free app. You can make an account here without any registration fee. You can sign up here with your Facebook, Gmail, or Google account. Almost 33 million people are associated with this app, and they're earning a suitable amount here. Instead, this is also the permanent source of earning of many people. This is such a very wide app throughout the globe, and many people are earning very well. Here you can join as a seller or buyer. It's up to you. There are more than 200 services offered here by the sellers, and buyers approach him, her, if he, she needed his services. And this way, Fiverr serves as the middle party for security, and it charges 20% of the total amount paid by the buyer. You can offer various services here, and if you're skilled, then people will approach you, and after the completion of work, you'll be paid by the buyer. Fiverr is such a most famous and legit platform for digital earning. You can work from and without any investment. You can be able to make money here if you're skilled. You can be able to make money here. Finally, we move on to number 1. We have Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a rewards and loyalty program operator located in El Segundo, California. Protege LLC runs that. A penny's worth 1 Swagbuck. You'll generally swap 100 Swagbucks for $1 in gift cards or cash, or a $25 PayPal deposit for $2,500 Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a real organization. About $400 million has been paid out to members. Swagbucks has helped some users win close to $12,000. Swagbucks is also a safe way for adolescents to raise some extra cash. I know many people who have associated with this app, and they're making such a handsome amount here. Opportunities for beginners and skilled persons are available in a wide range. You are just needed to get the basic idea of working on this app, and you can be able to earn cash via this platform, and this is much easier than any physical efforts. This information will serve as a guide for you if you're looking for online earning sources. After that information, you'll surely be able to select the right platform for you, which is according to your taste, and it needs minimum efforts from your side. Now you'll be able to get the best choice for you, which can be most suitable to you, and this will surely set a plus point for you over those who are totally blind to this awareness. As per our information, you've got your desired information regarding the best online earning sources on the internet. Please subscribe, share, and like our YouTube channel to get more informative videos like this. In order to get notifications of our further informative videos, press the bell icon. And this way, you'll stay in connect with us.